how to make a secret spy banana. Shh.
I'm a spy.
I'm a spy too.
And here's a secret message.
What? A banana? What? It has a message. We love playing spy.
We're going to show you how to send a secret spy message on a banana so you can play too. All you need is a banana and a toothpick. So first, we're going to start writing the message. So I'm going to write code red.
I want to make a pattern, and then on the other side, I'm going to write a secret message to my sister. I'm using the toothpick to scratch the skin of the banana, so then it makes lines in the banana skin.
You can't really see it at first, but after a little while, it turns brown.
That's why it's secret, because it starts out invisible. You can write words, or you can draw a picture.
We made some earlier, and you can see they turn brown. I'm almost done.
I'm almost done too.
And that's how you make a secret spy banana.
Calling Spy 42. Spy 31 is here.
Okay, I'm here. What's going on?
I found her. He's planning to go into space. Spy out.
Spy out. Touch here for more cool videos. Come play with us. And touch here to subscribe. Come on, you can do it.